What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Coti, guys. A member of my Discord has been highly requesting I do Coti. You know who you are. So here it is, guys. Currently we're sitting at 57 cents. We're up about 8% on the day. We're sitting in market cap at 490 million, 24-hour volume 114 million. This is a sleeper pick, very low market cap, but it's tied very closely with ADA, and I do think it's going to see some explosive gains on this bull cycle here. So we're going to jump into the 4-hour time frame, but first make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we had a falling wedge pattern. We broke back above the EMAs. We've had the bullish cross on the 4-hour, and your target is up here at 67 cents. Now there will be some resistance along the way. Take your Fibonacci, swing high, swing low. We're just getting back above the 0.5. So if we can get back above the 0.6, guys, then that gives you a strong sign you're going to head up to that target, and the 1.272, which is coming in at about 75 cents for Coti. If we do roll over here, I'll drop in your levels of support. The 0.5 sitting at 56 cents. You have the 0.382 for Coti, which is the level of resistance from our falling wedge at 54 cents. Some larger patterns here on the daily. We have an inverse head and shoulders. These large reversal patterns on the daily are really exciting, guys. Left shoulder, head. Here's your right shoulder. We've already broken our neckline. We fell back to it as support, which is actually a really strong sign here. If we hold the support, we break out as we are right now. Your target for Coti brings you pretty close to the 1.272 extension here, which is up at about $1.01. We've broken our previous all-time high for Coti. As you can see here, we broke it. We fell back underneath, and we're coming up to test it again. So that price target is up at about 59 cents. I'm going to round this up. 60 cents here for Coti. And then we head up to the 1.272 at $1. So I'll drop in some future price targets to get excited about. The 1.618 up at $1.98. And I'm going to drop in the 2 as well, which is coming in at about $4.14 here for Coti. And from the current price all the way up to the 2 is about a 6x if we make it up to the 2. I would target the 1.618, $1.98. I think Coti will make it there easily. And then next you have all the way up at $4, which is at the 2 extension. And this Fibonacci is pulled from the previous all-time high back in March here, all the way down to the swing low in July. All right, guys. So that's basically it for Coti. If we can stay above the 0.5 here on the fib, then do target 59 cents. After that, target the 0.786 areas to take profit, 62 cents. And then your target from your falling wedge, 67 cents. Your levels of support for Coti, if we can stay above the 0.5, 56 cents. If we were to break below it here, we are looking strong. We've just broken out of this pattern. We are starting to trend into overbought a little bit, so just keep an eye on that on the 4-hour time frame. 54 cents is also a strong level of support resistance in this area. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts. Great way to stay ahead of the game and talk all things crypto. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.